Find or read reviews that people are talking of LHRIVER 3500 square feet dehumidifiers for home, 50 pints dehumidifier with drain hose. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose LHRIVER 3500 square feet dehumidifiers. Below are some reasons why you should choose. The dehumidifier can remove up to 50 pints of moisture per day and is ideal for your laundry room, bedroom, living room, basement, or any space up to 3,500 square feet. Make it your partner in achieving ideal humidity levels in your home. The front-loading water bucket allows for easy visibility of the water level. As a reminder to empty the bucket, you'll hear a beep and see the full bucket indicator flash. Another option for quickly draining is to use the 3.3 feet drain hose to release the excess water into a sink. The dehumidifier has 3 modes: auto, continuous, sleep mode. It can remove excess moisture from large rooms/clothes and keep them dry and clean. Furthermore, the 48 decibel low noise design keeps you away from annoying noises. Our dehumidifier for bedroom has a child lock to keep your children safe. You can easily move the dehumidifier around thanks to the 360 degrees rotatable wheels and built-in grip. Meanwhile, the automatic defrost function keeps collected water from freezing and damaging the machine. This room dehumidifier includes a digital control panel for ease of use. Its LED display also provides a quick and accurate reading of the humidity level. Other convenient features include a built-in pump, a 24-hour timer, and continuous draining. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.